This is Eric Hammer here, the man with the hat. Here you go. Here to talk to you all about how to make money online from blogging. So, a couple quick things. If you're new to the channel, please smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I put up new videos. I put new videos up every single day, and I try to really offer a lot of quality content, a quality value-packed material here on my channel. Stuff you won't find elsewhere. So the first thing I wanted to talk to you about is making money online from blogging. Now, there's a wonderful little website. I'm going to leave a link to it down below this video. Excuse me. It's called Answer the Public. And basically what you can do with this website, you can put in any keyword you want. In my case, because I work in the Make Money Online niche, I put in Make Money Online. And it will spit out questions that people are actually asking. And the number one question that people are asking is, can you make money online from blogging? So that's basically what we're going to be talking about today on this video. Okay, so let's talk making money online from blogging. Now, first of all, can you make money online from blogging? The answer is yes and no. Basically, the traditional way of making money online from blogging no longer works. 15 years ago, people were making a lot of money online from blogging, but basically what they would do is they put up a blog. Back then it was still a fairly new concept, the idea of putting up a blog, and basically they would just put up some advertising from various ad networks. AdSense from Google is the biggest one, but there's dozens of them. People would go ahead and put up ads, and they were making good money off of it, but unfortunately today you simply can't rely on advertising anymore. Unless you're something like the New York Times, where you have millions upon millions of people visiting every day, and even then, advertising is not really the way to make money. I do recommend, if you're running a blog, which is a pure content blog, not a review blog like what I run, but if you have a pure content blog where you're doing absolutely nothing involving selling something, then I do recommend that you go ahead and put in some advertising. You'll get something out of it, I mean, you won't get much, but you'll get something. But there's two better ways of actually making money online from blogging. So the first thing is going to be affiliate marketing. Now, I don't care what niche you're in, it doesn't matter to me. You could be doing weight loss, you could be doing make money online, hell, you could be doing knitting. For, like if you have a blog about knitting or literally anything that you could possibly imagine, you can find products that you can sell to people as an affiliate. Affiliate, basically what that means is that you're taking a commission on the sale of somebody else's product. And commissions can range anywhere from like 3% all the way to 100% commissions. The reason some people will do 100% commission is because of what John Chow calls making money on the sale after the sale. Basically, what that means is that people would make money by, they would give 100% commissions because that gives them a buyer lead. That means that's somebody that they know is willing to spend money, and so they will go ahead and start selling to them other stuff. So you do want to get a buyer lead and not just make a commission. To begin with, I have another video about this though, so I'm not going to go into too much detail about that. You can see it here on my channel, where I talked more about affiliate marketing and how to work it. But the bottom line is, you can find something for pretty much anything you could possibly want. If you're not sure where to look, two suggestions. Number one, go to a website called clickbank.com. I will leave a link to it below this video as well. Basically, ClickBank, you can find almost anything you could possibly imagine. There's going to be something available there to teach you that you can use to create an affiliate product. I mean, like, pretty much any niche you could possibly imagine is covered in ClickBank.com. So I would recommend going there. The other thing would be just go into Google. I mean, put in, you know, your niche followed by the term affiliate. You know, become an affiliate, or just even affiliate really. You're going to find something. It's pretty much guaranteed that there's going to be something somewhere that somebody wants more buyers for, and they'll pay you a commission for doing it. So I really, that's one of the best ways to do it. The other way to do it is to create your own products. And basically what you do, the way you do this is you put up a lot of quality information on your website. You always have to deal with quality. If you're not providing good value to people, if you're just you know, trying to grab quick cash, people are just going to leave. That nobody's going to be interested. It's all about the value today. If you're not providing value, somebody else will. So make sure you're providing real value, like I try to do here on the channel and on my site. I provide genuine value to people, where I'm really trying to give you everything you could possibly need in order to really make money online. And it's just, you know, it's about providing real value. Now, the way you would do it is like this. If you wanted to do to sell your own product, so you would offer significant value, and there's two options. Option number one: if you have some sort of software program that you're giving away to that you could sell, that's the best way to do it, because if you have software, there's a higher perceived value to software than anything else. Video has a higher perceived value, by the way, than PDFs. I don't know why, but that's the way it is. If you're going to give away if you have a piece of software that you can sell that would automate a lot of the processes, then then you're golden. Okay, what you do is basically you go in, create you know, an hour-long webinar where you discuss how to do everything manually, and then at the end, for your sales pitch, basically what you would do is you would say, now I've taught you how to do everything manually. If you want to automate the processes, here's my my software product along with my course. I provide you with additional details in my course, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know. The other option you can do, if you don't have a course, if you don't have a software, rather, you just have a course. What you can do is you're going to provide real value. You're going to provide enough information that people could go out and do it on their own. And then basically your sales pitch is going to be, now I've taught you everything you need to know about doing this. I've shown you how to do it. If you want all the tips and tricks that I've learned over the years of doing this, whatever it is that you're selling, you say you can buy my course. And you can sell courses for quite a lot of money. You know, I've seen courses sold for $2,000, $3,000, even $5,000. And you know, the nice thing about selling a course for $2,000 is that you really don't need to push, you know, to get a lot of people to buy in order to make a good living off of it. You can sell you know, like 1 or 2 copies, and you're golden. You don't need to bother with, you know, doing a ton of stuff. You just you can do a few sales and make a lot of money off of that. So those are my 2 basic options for how to make money from blogging. If you loved this video, by the way, please click the thumbs up, click subscribe, and click the bell icon. It really does help, and I will see you next time. Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe.